Hello class, today we will be doing one prop z-tests on your calculator. You need to start with identifying your null and alternative hypotheses. So that will be your ho and your ha, and you're going to write that down as number 1 in your toolbox.
Conditions for your number 2 in your toolbox, you need to state that it's a one prop z-test. You need to make sure it's normal, which you do the sample times the probability, and then sample times 1 minus probability. They have to both be greater than 10. And then you check to see if it's independent, which means it would be reasonable to have 10 times your sample that you can take. And then and you also need to have an SRS. I mean, that'll usually be stated in the problem. Okay, number 3 in your toolbox is the actual calculations. So if the initial P is 0.25, the probability is 0.25, and then the people that did whatever it was said there were 60 of them, and then the sample was 250. And then we would say that our alternative hypothesis is that 0.25 is too high. So we hit calculate, and then it gives you your P, your Z, your P hat, and your N. So your P is 0.357.
And the final step in your toolbox, number 4, is your interpretation, which is where you use your p-value to state a conclusion, and you have to do that in context and in a sentence. So our p-value is 0.35, which was over the alpha, which was 0.05. So you would say that you failed to reject the hypothesis at the alpha, which was 0.05.